Okay, so we're doing the accent challenge. And I guess I'm going first. Okay. Your name and username. My name is Cody. And my username is Codyjamez. What's yours, Sarah? Oh.
Ew. My name is Sarah. My username is Rain-boii and Codyjamez.
Okay. Where you're from?
Seattle, Washington.
Okay, pronounce the following words. Okay, here we go.
Hurry up.
Ant, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans. Pecan, both, again, probably Alabama. Lawyer, coupon. Mayonnaise, pajamas, caught naturally, aluminum, GIF, right? Yeah, Tumblr, crackerjack.
Right.
Doorknob, envelope, G-poi.
Oh, it's so much words.
I know.
Ant, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, caught, naturally, aluminum.
Aluminum.
I can never say it.
You just hit your head with this.
Aluminum. Gift, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope, G-poi.
Alright. What's it called when you throw toilet paper on a house?
TP in that bitch.
TP, motherfucker. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called?
Soda.
What do you call gym shoes?
Shoes.
Shoes.
You call them sneakers.
Sneakers.
I don't know, I call all shoes shoes. I love it.
What do you call your grandparents?
Grumpy grandma, grandpa, and auntie grandma. I only have 2 grandparents pretty much.
Grandma and grandpa. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? A shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
What is the thing you change the TV channel with?
A remote.
A clicker. It's like a remote.
Choose control. A book and read a passage from it. We don't have a book.
I can read this. This is a Kit Kat.
My life.
Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Damn, bro.
Questions or comments about this product? Call toll-free weekends.
Yeah.
Do you think you have an accent? No.
Sometimes.
Alabama.
Be a wizard or a vampire? A wizard.
Wizard. Because
why?
Bella's ham and Selena's hot as fuck.
Yeah. Represent, motherfucker.
Do you know anyone in Tumblr in your life? All I'm gonna say, the only person I know is Dylan's Rainbows. And here goes his list.
Okay.
Oh, and I know him.
So, I know Rain-boii. I know Pitch Black Glow, Dash on Your Knees. I like saying Dash on Your Knees. But, Rob on My Knob, Robert with 2 R's and 2 T's at the end, and, Josh with the dash. And that's it. And Dylan and Rainbows, I guess.
And then I'm gonna meet Josh. Yes.
And end audio post saying any 3 words you want.
Suck my dick.
Fuck you, bitch.
What do you pause it?